better play. If you can win your individual battles, outrun your opponent, eventually you'll get the space to show your ability. I'm sure that's being echoed by the coaches here today.
And here's the Palace 11.
Well, they're going to play with two wingers here, but I'm just a little bit worried that the centre-forward could become isolated.
A truly magnificent start. An early goal in the game, just what they were hoping to produce.
Well, just look at this. He keeps his composure and he almost passes it into the back of the net. That's a very good goal.
Well, a really good run. Being egged on by the crowd. Can they cover up? Firing it towards goal! And the ball is loose. Well, an attempt to forget all about, unfortunately.
Yeah, got it all wrong, trying to pass it into the corner.
Textbook closing down, and now they're on the attack. And I think, unfortunately for him, the less said about that attempt, the better.